Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. Odisha Health Department on Thursday said that 75 persons who earlier tested positive for COVID-19 have recovered. According to state government data, as of Wednesday, 1,660 people have so far been tested positive for COVID-19 in the state, out of which 766 cases are active, 887 have recovered and 7 persons have died. It may be mentioned here that the state so reported 67 new COVID-19 cases earlier in the day. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Thursday urged people of the state to show solidarity with COVID warriors by singing Vande Utkala Janani at 5:30 p.m. on Saturday. The move assumes significance during this COVID-19 pandemic and at the same time will motivate the frontline workers including doctors, nurses and people's representatives who are now playing a crucial role in the ongoing fight against coronavirus in the state. In an untoward incident, 413 Odia returnees fled by pulling chain at Khalikot station in Ganjam district on their way back home by a Shramik special train on Wednesday afternoon. However, some local youths detained the migrant workers and informed Khalikot police, suspecting them to be outsiders. Bharatiya Janata Party General Secretary Kailash Vijayvargiya has raised questions over Article 30 of the Indian Constitution, which provides the minority community the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. Vijayvargiya said this article has harmed the spirit of equality guaranteed in the Constitution. A group of Hizbul and Jaish terrorists planted a 40 to 45 kg IED on their car to target security forces, IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar said in a press conference in Srinagar on Thursday. He said that the attacker jumped 2 checkpoints before abandoning his vehicle and fleeing from the spot. With 6,566 new cases and 194 new deaths, India's total tally of COVID-19 reached 1,58,333 on Thursday, the Health Ministry data revealed. This is the second highest number of deaths reported in 24 hours. It was May 5th when India had reported 195 deaths in a day. Out of the total cases, at least 86,110 are active cases and 4,531 people have lost their lives, while a total of 67,691 people have recovered. Total worldwide positive cases of COVID-19 rise to 58,07,702 with 3,57,807 deaths. 25,11,143 people have recovered so far. That's all for today's bulletin. You were watching Odisha Post Live.